Hello, third grade. We are going to start our handwriting without tears. We are going to begin our cursive writing. Go ahead and get out your pencil and your handwriting without tears workbook from your CVA container. And I want you to follow along with me in your book and hold off on writing until you are instructed to do so. So as we look at our Handwriting Without Tears book, you'll see that we are going to begin our cursive writing. The first page is a welcome letter from the author of the book. Dear student, can you read this? It's cursive. Your teacher will help you learn to read and write cursive. I hope that you enjoy the book. Sincerely, Jan Z. Olson. The next page is the table of contents, and you will see all the different lessons. Across the top, you'll see the whole alphabet, okay? You can see like all the way from A to Z. Underneath each letter, you will see a page number. Notice that the page numbers do not go in order with the ABCs. We begin our Handwriting Without Tears lessons by learning letters that are formed in similar patterns. That way you practice all of those letters and then you move on to a new skill. Does that mean you can't write in cursive writing? Absolutely not, because if you turn the page to the next page, page 4 and page 5, you will see a copy of all the cursive lowercase letters and all the cursive capital letters. And you can practice writing your letters on your notebook page, especially your name. Okay, so we're going to back up here. Nope, that's where we wanted to be. And we are going to listen to this short video.
Say hello to vertical cursive.
What's that messy doodle? Picasso or something?
No, my dear. I'm a word in slanted cursive handwriting.
You're a word? Your curly cues and loop-de-loops are making me dizzy. If I had to write like you, I'd probably fall over.
My word!
Psst. Hey kid, over here. I'm vertical cursive, not easy to read and write. I'm just like print, but I have connected letters.
Cool.
Vertical cursive is a form of cursive that's closest to print. Let's look at the word cursive in print. Now in vertical cursive. Nice. That's simple and much better than scary old slanted cursive. Vertical cursive is easy to read and write.
Oh yeah, it's so cool, and I'm developing my own unique style.
Vertical cursive rocks.
Okay, so we're going to begin on page 5. So go ahead and make sure your book is open to page 5, the lesson. I'm going to make this page bigger so that we can see it much more clearly. So before we begin to write and to practice our under-over writing, we want to make sure that we are gripping the pencil correctly.
Ah, what a grip. It's tight enough so the pencil doesn't fall out of my hand and loose enough so that my fingers can move it. Best of all, I'm comfortable. It didn't develop naturally. I had to learn it. It took repetition and practice. Let me tell you about how I learned this grip. I used to have an awkward grip. I thought I was in control, but it was way too tight. Ouch! My aching knuckles! Then I tried the standard grip. I hold the pencil with my thumb and index finger. The pencil rests on my middle finger. I learned how to get my pencil in the correct position with the flip the pencil trick. Let me show you. Place the pencil on a table, pinch the pencil with your thumb and index finger. Lift it up and flip it around until the eraser points back towards your shoulder. Voila, the standard grip. I also did pencil pickups. I pick up my pencil, make sure I'm holding it correctly, and then I drop it. And then I pick it up again, make sure I'm holding it correctly, and then I drop it again. I did pencil pickups lots of times. I had fun with my new grip. I scribbled, wrote my name, practiced writing, and eventually it became my regular grip. What a grip. One more thing, we're all made differently, so if the standard grip doesn't work for you, then you can try an alternate grip. Here's one. Hold the pencil with the thumb and both the index and middle finger. The pencil rests on the ring finger. By the way, all these grips work for lefties too. Peace out!
All right, we are going to begin writing our cursive warm-up. Make sure that you are handling your pencil grip correctly. A lot of cursive, just like print, is all about pencil control. And if you hold it with a loose grip, it is easier to move your pencil, especially writing in cursive. I've heard many kids say that it is easier to write in cursive and faster than it is to write in print, because with print you have to keep stopping and going for each letter, but cursive is a flow. And so we're going to practice that flow. And we are going to start at the dot. We are going to go under, keep control of that pencil, don't go under the line, and over and stop at the next dot. Okay, let's try it again. We're going to start at the dot, we're going to go under, keep control of that pencil, and over and stop at the dot. The next type of warm-up that we're going to do is up and straight down. So for this one, watch first. You're going to start on the dot. You're going to go up to the next dot. You're going to stop and you're going to go straight down back on the same line. So again, start at the dot, go up, straight up and down, and stop. The next cursive warm-up that you're going to do is called up and loop down, meaning same similar style. You're going to start at the dot, you're going to go up, but instead of straight down, you're going to loop and down. Start at the dot, you're going to curve up and loop and straight down. The last warm-up that we're going to do is descending loop. You start at the dot, you go straight down, you loop around the dot, and you go back up to meet the line. Start at the dot, go straight down, you're going to loop and go up to meet the line. Go ahead and practice your under and over, up and straight down, up and loop down, and the descending loop. Take your time. Your adult learner will be checking your work. Your lines should not go below the line unless it's part of that letter. When you are done with your cursive warm-up, you will then come down here and you're going to practice writing your name 4 times. You're going to look at page 4 and look how the capital letters start and the cursive lowercase, and you are going to write your name in cursive on each of those lines. When you are done, your adult learner will check your work and you will upload page 5 of your handwriting without tears. The other place I would like you to put your name in cursive is on the front cover of the book. Cursive write your first and last name on the front cover.